Ambientika heat recovery units require minimal maintenance which can easily be carried out by the end user without any tools. To keep your units in good condition, all you need to do is clean or replace the filters, depending on what type of filter it is. This is usually done twice a year, but can be done more often, for example if you notice dust gathering on the filter ahead of the scheduled maintenance time. It's easy to spot when your filters are due for a clean or replacement. The red LED light at the bottom right of your unit starts flashing. For the smart and office models that are operated by the Ambientika app on your smartphone, you can also check the status of the filters. The green status indicator square will first turn amber, then about a month later it will change to red, indicating that it is time to change them. To start the maintenance procedure, pull the flap down and switch off the unit. If you switch off the unit first, the flap will slowly close and you'll need a sharp pencil or similar object to insert into the notch at the top of the unit to be able to open the flap. Once the flap is opened, remove the optional cover. Turn the retaining grille anti-clockwise to disengage and remove it. Grab the handle and slide out the heat exchanger with the filters, supporting the weight with your other hand. Remove both filters and wash them. This step applies to the supplied G3 standard filters as well as the optional M5 Poland filters. If your filters are activated carbon filters, do not wash them, but replace them with new ones. Dry the filters completely, refit them onto the heat exchanger, then slide the heat exchanger back into its place. Refit the retaining grille by lining up the protrusions on the grille with the recesses on the motor assembly casing and turning clockwise to lock into place. Please note the position of the pin terminal cable and align it with the marking on the grille. Fit the optional cover and close the flap. Switch the unit back on and reset the filter status by pressing the Reset Filter button on your remote control or Reset on the smartphone app. This action will turn off the flashing red LED on your unit and change the red status indicator square to green if you're using the smartphone app. The maintenance is now complete and you may resume operating the Ambientika unit.